Bahise flight 666 radio gatandatu Illuminata. Confirme twitangi mwari mumaze cyo mumwango Sankara ngo hora ngoze mwicare mu ryo namwe mugoro twite iyi filme ntabwo yemere kuyireba tanje batwereka mu cyo atandukanye umugabo zagenda agazitega abakobwa mukanure cyane gati iyo mubona gatandatu tushaburangira mu ubwoba iyo mbonye gatandatu mwari mumaze cyo mumwira ngo Sankara wagiye kuri YouTube. Yes ndiyo muzajya musanga ibiganiro by'ubwenge YouTube channel yanjye na ni Sankara da Prime. Abantu banje mugere mukore subscribe mugere mu support nyabona mushyikiriga nyabona erega nimwe muntuze buri ubwo mutama menshi areka mukore subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu tujye dukomeza tubane buri hamwe hose. Mama kuragezweho kujya filime yiswe Friday 666 cyangwa se indege gatandatu banda yari tujya mu ndege. Hari indege zavaga namwe zerekeza handi uriya mbare gatandatu mu witondere babanza kubahereza amazi cyero meze neza huko muzira by'indege cyero meze neza bari bafite ubwoba rugamba yatinye tujya kunyenda mu ndege.
Ladies and gentlemen, cabin crew, please remain.
Ati bagore namwe bagabo ni cabin crew mugwe muri mu gicaro byanyu. Hari nkubaza mu kirere nyinshi cyane n'imvura ni nyinshi mwambara imikandara yanyu.
Signs on for the time being.
Ati baye byiza mwamufunze imikandara kare mwicare mwigame. Ikirere turimo nagare cyiza harimo inkuba nyinshi n'imiyaba n'imiyaga myinshi.
Keep those seat belts fastened.
Ati rwose seat belts muzifungereza cyane.
So much for your patience.
Rwose mwakoze bwo kwihangana.
Once we reach clear.
Ati cyose mwakenera rwose murambwira nitujya mu kirere cyiza murakomeza rwose mwicare mu ngo mwari bisanzwe. Bafite makuba hakurya mugenzi inkuba ni nyinshi mu kirere.
Can you check the ATIS?
Wabonye ATIS cyangwa
The weather report, see when we might break through.
Mane dufasha inaho tugiye ku kibuga cy'indege dusanga ikirere kimeze neza. Mane gafite ubwoba. Ana arabari bigeze barimo aragira telefone nazo zirazima network zirabura. Bano ni ba flight attendant nabo barangije nko pilot ababwiye ati mwese muhambira imikandara yanyu bagenda baramu dufite ni couple
Photos.
He never has.
Kuchabye batajya baseka mu mafoto nako bajya bakunda guseka kubera ikisi
I don't know.
turi bari mafoto abaseka.
Even in my baby photos, he would just like hold me
Ati rwaza na papa ndo mafoto yanjye kera nteruye yabagarakaye
and just be like, probably something I did.
ya ni uko yimereye papa wanjye ukiri n'umwana cyane harogora umuzora kujyana wabo batakwishimiye akakumenya ko batajya baseka akora no mama yishimye.
They did not
Ako abyeyi baranyanga cyangwa
hate you.
ntago bakwanga sheri.
That's just how they are.
Oh, you're just saying that.
Ntago navuze ko banyanga gusa nyine
With you,
sheri urabona ndagukunda
because I love you, they love you too.
dore kuba ngukunda n'abyeyi banje baragukunda.
And even if they hate your guts, they're still 2,600 miles away.
Sheri ibyo wibitinda udusigaje mayiro nkeya tukageraho tugiye. Mukobwa yarimo agendere mu dufoto.
Well, Raisinette loved me.
Mane imwe nawe Resonette yari yankunze.
Yeah.
Mane yari ishimije cyane.
Shit going on in my brain doesn't matter.
Ati biri mu bintekerezo zawe n'az'abana ntago biri ngombwa
Yeah.
ariko nuko ibintu byose bimeze neza
Smiling.
Yeah.
kandi warakoze kubwo kumwenyura
My pleasure.
n'iby'agaciro. Ni couple ariko indege barimo indege ikirere kimeze nabi ba pilot baracangaye nayo hari ikintu ubonara ntacyahindutse.
Unavoidable. Projections are all over the place.
As projections ziri buri hamwe hose
MCs.
ariko rwose hano kuri MCC nta kintu ndabona.
Great.
Agataburo kabagaremera pilot bari pilot batwara ari babiri ariko baba bagenda bafashanya.
I think this thing is following us.
Ariko mazari ikintu cyo kudukurikirana bana indege mu control mu kirere maniga hakuno ariko saro kanzana nzogera kujya rero ko bamumufasha hano abari nzogera ba flight attendant.
It's 25A.
Yewe ni 25A genda umurebe buriya mu ndege abantu umuntu aba yicaye kurya kandi akunzogera bakabaza kora iki kumufasha. Yega
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
nagufasha iki
Please tell the pilot to not crash the plane.
ndakwizongera ubwire pilot atagongesha indege
Thanks.
atakurayishingisha.
Assure you that he's already considered.
Ay byarabizi rwose
In the same flight as me.
sinzi abana abantu badafite ubwoba nkanjye.
Can I get you something?
Ushakira ikintu cyo kunywa nk'amazi.
My medicine,
Hari imiti mfite mu gikapu
it's in my bag.
iri mu gikapu.
Sure. Is it in your carry-on?
Akaza ndebere igikapu wakiza mu kanyano.
My suitcase.
Oya ni muri varisi nini
Oh, sir, if you checked your luggage at the airport, we
ati rwose niba utabereye kuri airport
Can't get
ngo bafashe imiti yawe yibanze wigendane
No.
ntabwo twajya ahantu hari imizigo rwose ngo tuvaneyo umuzigo wawe
Hey, what if it's an emergency?
ndetse usanze ari uburwayi bufite muri iri janse bukeneye imiti kuyinywa nona
sir,
nyakubahwa umbabarire
I can get you a headset.
nakuzanira ekuteri umusego wenda n'ikiringiti ushakira amazi
Just knowing that we could crash any.
mana afite ubwoba ndi kumva indege ishobora kuba yagonga igiceri cyo cyose ko yakurashinga barega amaze ataramenyereye kugenda mu ndege ufitemo akantu kakoba yewe
Oh, what a little heartbreaker.
mbega akana keza mana kameze nka nsenya mgugugu hano arafite imyaka 4
Age.
mbega imyaka myiza
I can see the look on her face when she sees you.
ati rwose ubu ndimo ndabona umwana burya ari bwishime nakubona nka papa utashye
I'd be happy to see any look on her face.
ati rero nibwo ndabonezerwa mbona yishimye
Employed for 24 months now.
maze rwose amezi 28 ubwo ni imyaka 2 nataha
Only thing I could think about was her and her mom.
ubu ndacyari ari kumwe na mama we
Soldier?
nase uri umusoja uri umusirikare ndazanye muri army ranger
How much more time do you have left?
none usigaje igihe kingana iki
Well, I was delayed in Paris. The only flight
ati twatinze turi i Paris
I was to LAX.
indege rwose atujya muri Lax
5 hours to New York, and then
ati amasaha make nageze muri New York
I got to see my family.
fata imodoka y'isaha imwe ndageze mu rugo manu buri gikundiro
Oh, I'll say.
mbega byiza asaba umukobwa ukora mu ndege
They're getting restless.
abaturage batangiye kurambirwa
Hopefully we break through this before they...
ntabwo abantu bari tuzi ino mino abaturi bicamo na zo nkuba
Nervous, so. Anyone need anything now, though?
Oh, yeah.
abantu bagira icyo bashyira nyine umbwira sibyo
Please.
banza umereze ikiringiti kimwe n'agacupa k'amazi akirana akaringiti
Thank you, Liam.
urakoze Liam yikorera hakuno mu ndege hano hari undi mugabo nawe cy'inkuba zikubita nawe imana asoma agatabo banza arunguruka hanze kumbe anafite imbunda umwe bari mu ndege arayibona wow umugabo yitwaje intwari niba ari ikiyebeje ni kunepa ubona ko umukobwa yayibonye subizaho ikote neza yewe
Don't worry.
ntugire ikibazo
Supposed to have it.
nemereye kuba natunga imbunda mu ndege
Sorry, I wasn't worried.
yewe ntabwo nari mpangayikishijwe n'ibyo nawe ntiyabitindaho
I'm lying, I was worried.
naho nakubeshye nari mpangayitse umugabo arangije avanayo baji y'akazi ni umusirikare
Name's Thaddeus.
bayita Thaddeus
U.S. Air Marshal.
ni USA ya Marshal buriya muri Amerika nyuma y'uko ibitero byagiye bitega indege nyinshi cyane bafashe umwanzuro ko buri ndege izajya ihaguruka muri Amerika agomba kuba harimo umugenzi w'umusirikare ugomba kuba yasabanza nk'ikihebe akaba yatabara umugenzi ni Thaddeus ni USA ya Marshal Airfield Marshal
Flight deck.
flight deck
Can I get you guys anything?
nabazana icyo kurya cyangwa icyo kunywa
I think we're good, thanks, Alice.
tumeze neza Alice
Everything good back there?
aya nyuma yemeze biti
We had one passenger ask that you guys not crash the plane.
dufitemo umugenzi umwe atubwiye ngo rwose arimo kurashingisha indege ntagire ikibazo
Let me know if you guys need something, just ring.
ariko namwe mugize icyo mukenera mwamenyesha sawa urakoze turakubwira ni Kalisi
Everything all right back there?
inyuma yemeze neza ra
Seems good.
bisa nkaho ari byiza
Just checking in.
na Alice watubazaga natwe uko tumeze
Would have been nice if JFK gave us a heads up on this storm before takeoff.
indege JFK dutwara rwose muri iyi storm cyangwa se muri bino bihe turimo ntabwo ari sawa cyane
Seen a storm this big. Creep.
ariko nta bwoba ikirere kizaza kumera neza
Seeing the moment we were off the ground.
ati rwose nugira urwikekwe byose ni sawa cyane
These domestic red eyes are a nightmare too.
maso yatuka rwose bisa nkaho ari inzozi mbi ariko
Sure, but after
nta birenze bana
you know.
baragenda bagana n'umugenzi wa pilot ebyiri barafashanya
Oops.
All the coffee in the world, my friend.
atari akantu unakoresha ikawa iyo ntwaye indege ni ikawa ya mbere ku isi
Any plans for New York?
ese hari n'imipango bafite muri New York
Had a hot date.
mani mfite akuki tuzasohokana
Beautiful woman you've ever seen.
ati niyo mugore mwiza nigeze mbona muri iyi si
What's her name?
yitwa nde
Don't know yet.
ntabwo ndamenya izina rye twateretaniye online ni ibyo ngibyo nta bindi birenze rangije hano ko muzi iby'indege banashaka utuntu tw'uduporezo
Better?
Maybe.
ikiringiti cyari sawa wenda ko biri
To flying, like if you can't do it.
berekana abantu batijya kugenda mu ndege kubera gutinya ikirere
I don't think it's the flying.
ntabwo nacyo atari kubera ikirere
Tube that resembles a penis while thinking about falling in a
erega yanakwihambira akanikomeza intoki ze ntizigende zizunguza
Think of.
mana ntagamye ari gutekereza
giant penis or the falling and exploding.
ufite ubwoba bwakabana nini cyangwa indege kuba yaturika barabaza ngo kuko icyo gatinya ndetse byombi mbitinya byombi
Planes?
nawe utinya indege se
I'm afraid of a lot of things, but
ntabwo njya ibintu byinshi
flying isn't one of them.
ariko mu byo ntatinya n'indege, kujya mu ndege ntabwo mbitinya.
Here? It's a beautiful thing we do.
Mana kuba turana nabyo ni ibintu byiza.
Up here in the darkness where no one can see us.
Ibaze ko turana mu kirere n'umuntu atatubona nta n'inyoni yaba yatubona.
How long has it been?
Like 3.
Maze kingana iki mu ndege ndati imyaka 3 akora muri kano kazi. Bagiraho hari undi wasonnye.
I'm busy.
Ndi busy arimo arazinga makuba nuza ibiringiti gendera mu muntu uko manzi. Maniga mu yakari nyita ariko afite ubwoba. Maniga arunguruka hanze. Maniga giza gutya abona ikintu kibazo nk'umuntu mu ndege. Sihora mwansabye mwitare muri geco nakubwiye bitara turajyombo cyo kirimo abana mu kirere inkuba mu bihe. Maniga urebe Maniga ari mu ndege arimo arabona ibintu bidaha niba sinzi ariko ntawe kintu mbonera. Maniga arebye neza ngwino. Maniga kubera ubwoba Maniga areba neza nta kintu mbonera. Ngwino arakomeza arareba ngwino kapfa. Maniga agera mu bwoba. Hayiwe Maniga arikaze.
What's on the way?
Hari ikintu mbonye mbonye umuntu arimo aramamagara.
You need to take a
Umuntu aramamagara sari umuntu mu kirere. Hari ikintu mbonye tuza mwana.
Is everyone shaken up?
Wanyweye urumogi cyangwa ni kitapimpa? Wanyweye ibiki wacomye?
Please.
Wafashe mugo cyangwa?
Take your seat, okay?
Banza wicare utuze sibyo?
There's nothing like that out there. I can assure you that.
Ndakwizeza ko nta kintu ubonye.
Take a seat.
Take your seat, subiraho wicare.
Excuse me.
Nkeneye buretse gato. Maniga aratambuka. Sasa bari bicaranye neza cyangwa urumogi cyangwa?
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. You can't use the bathroom.
Ntukoreshe ubwiherero umva.
Don't touch it.
Uretse ayifungira indani. Okay. Buriya abantu bakora mu ndege ntabwo ajya gutongana n'abakiriya. Umeze neza. Harimo wa musirikare kuvuye umaze imyaka 2 adataha. Harimo na amasho.
Excuse me?
Yewe nibiki biri kujya mbere?
It's just nerves.
Nubwo bagize nabindi.
Has everyone.
Hari abantu bakongera kugera mu ndege.
This flight all the time. This is the worst I've seen it.
Mbona ko nubwo mbere mbibonye.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
Utuye muri Los Angeles.
Well, my parents do. We were just there on vacation.
Ati niba ababyeyi banjye batuye tuvuye muri vacation ariko tuye muri New York muri Brooklyn.
Honeymoon, really?
Mana mtwe tufite muri honeymoon. Wow, felicitation.
Let me ask you something. So
Nakubaza.
it's when a passenger is more out of control, like more than that.
Ese iyo umuntu mugenzi ananiwe kwikontrola bigenda bite?
Generally, these situations resolve themselves.
Ati byo ni ibintu byikemura kenshi.
We have protocols in place.
Ariko sibyo ko murayidura n'ibintu bitandukanye ariko turabikemura.
That's scary.
Byari biteye ubwoba.
I said these situations usually resolve themselves.
Anakwe ibintu zino sose birikemura urumva ko amara mwanya mu ndege agera akamenyera paka tugeze iyo tugiye. Ariko Maniga afite ikintu abonye. Maniga kubera ubwo bazamubwiye rero. Bamugize umusazi. Baravuze ngo ndimo ndabwo ibiyobyabwenge mana kubera. Maniga babigeze ko ngo urumogi yacomye. Kumbe yari afite icyo abonye. Kumbe Maniga namubwiye rero. Hey! Maniga Highway! Maniga bazwi yacomye kumbe. Maniga afite ibyo murabona mu ndege. Maniga afite ibyo barabona mu ndege. Abandi batarimo barabona. Maniga vayo. Highway. Nakubwiye ngo Sankara turashaka wala mwicare muri ryo show.
Oh, keep me off!
Ntabwo nakwizera ndi murabona mu ndege.
You tried to grab me.
Cyagerageje kumfata. Iki kigufata. Umugore muri miruwari. Maniga sasa ameze nk'uwacomye.
Need help?
Umva turagufasha.
Air Marshal, everything's fine.
Umanye wa Air Marshal. Mumfashe nyeri cyo cyazanye mu ndege gufasha abantu nk'aba. Uyu muntu ashaka kwani nikiye babona ateze nk'igisasu. Ashaka ko yacikira. Dore Maniga ngo sasa wa Air Marshal ngo aramufata.
In the mirror!
Narumaji nanyweye muri miruwari.
Train this passenger till we get to JFK.
Dofetano wose mu ndege ya JFK umugezi wose bariteza akavuyo.
Grab it now, grab it now.
Umva mereza bwa muntu bahambiza. Hari udupingu tuno twa plastike. Abari mwese musore mnyishano byanyu na cyozo. Gen wa US Air Marshal. Everyone back in your seats. Bana sasa hari binini babitwaje mu ndege. Iyo abonye umuntu ataje akajagari cyakavuyo. Bagukubitare cyitwa speed governor. Kigabanya umuvuduko w'ubwongo tusinzira.
Who's a little detached from
Hamwe haruzingo we ni umusore. No US Marshal.
Miss!
Mukobwa. Zana akamoto gisi.
In a hurry!
Hano bafite ibinini benero ngombe ibintu by'ibinini nk'ibyo. Hano akubita urunini ugatuwera. Chiricharira. Ndima ndabumva ntabwo natonze mwana ntabwo ndikiye I'm not a terrorist.
I'm just making this up.
Ntabwo ndikiye bari ikintu nakibonye. Bafata urunini rusinziriza hano agukubita urusipidi governor. ubwonko bwa freezing bamuha urunini barumurisha ku ngufu.
Swallow it, swallow it.
Mira kamire mira ibyumira mira kamwe nsobye maniga bahamukubise urunini bafunga umunwa maniga ikinini ko cyakinjiye.
Are you tying him up?
Je kumuhambira gusa se bakatuze
On this plane. I don't want him waking up and freaking out, okay?
tugomba kumuhambira paka indege izagera atongera kugira ikibazo. Okay, mfasha tumuterure. Baramwegura maniga. Sasa maniga afite ikintu abonye ariko bera kabandi batakibonye bamugize umusazi. Mwene batamwiye bajya buganyeshwa ko ari ikihebe. Baranje maniga uko yagahwereye. Abandi mujye menyuma tumutwicaza hakuno wenyine. Ana murakoze. Maniga bamwicaza hakuno. HR second.
The passenger
Ikirindi kigucinege.
trained. He's been medicated.
Ati rwose umugenzi yaragize akabazo ariko abaye medicated bamuhaye imiti. Rwose mwihangane indege mu masaha make irabigeza igiye. Kandi bihangane ikirindi kigucinege ko naguhwera. Ese neza sawa. Ibyo nibyo nashaka kuvana kare. Bahambiriye amaboko. Beno mwegize nabi. Wawundi wa USA yamasho amwicara inyuma. Bagwera igihe Osama bin Laden yagenda agatega ibisasu mu ndege abatalibani nta kintu asigaye bakora asigaye afata abasirikare muri Amerika bagomba bari mu ndege kandi mu buryo bw'ibanga cyereke byakomere bwo mumenya ko yararimo. Naje banzara ibinyuma ngo ubonye ibintu mu ndege guteze
Bran,
sheri ibintu byivange mu gute iki
Just wanted to help.
ndashaka gufasha nta kindi
isn't something you should be involved in.
sheri ibintu akaba yivanga amavuye muri honeymoon.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Samba bare sheri
I guess I'm still in my head about my parents.
erega ndacyategeza ababyeyi banje.
You said it was okay.
Yebo ndibaza icyo ababyeyi bagutekerezagaho bambwiye ko mankunze kandi ndakwizera.
Yeah.
Sawa ntacyo bitwaye
Next time it'll be better.
wenda ubutabizamera neza bazanyishimira nayo niko mbikeka bavuye muri honeymoon. Indege mu kirere maniga afite ikintu yabonye wamugira umusazi. Reba filime sazi bamwe ngo yanyweye ibimogi mana rwose ikirere kimeze nabi cyane.
Everything. 5 minutes ago, looked like we'd be out of it in 20, but
rwose iminota mitanu ishize indege igabanyutseho gatanga 20%.
fuel gauge will work.
Altimeter yayo na fuel gauge bahagaze neza. Hano bari indege buryo ahagaze bakira aho urumuri ruri kudukanga cyangwa buriya akabazo kose kabaye ku ndege abapayiro tuhita bakira sinyare niba itara rizimye niba ripfuye nabigenze biti hano bahita babimenya. Rangije
Flight deck. Captain, it's Liam.
ni Liam.
Storm caused a passenger to freak out.
Ati rwose cyari gitumye umuntu umwe ahwera
The marshal stepped in and assisted.
ariko hari umusho uri mani ndadufashije tumutera imiti arasinzira.
Training?
Nkamuhambiriye
Control back there.
ati nizere ko biri muri control.
I think so.
Yani ko mbikeka ariko mbikeka
Okay, good. Just
saa byiza
make sure everybody's comfortable.
umeke iyo ushaka hano sari comfortable bameze neza
Now. Got it.
saa nabyumva bameke iyo ushaka abantu bari inyuma rwose bameze neza nta kibazo. Sasa hakuno wa musirikare babanza kugenda batambaza amazi abafata utuji hano muvanayo dutebo abafata kofi.
Ma'am,
Mama akira hakunino akira nayo databuje abinywera amazi abanywa iki bitewe n'icyo ushaka mu ndege. Hano hari undi afunguye arebe hanze ikintu yavugaga kiriyo kugenda bavuga
Just a water, please.
muhereza iki n'amazi.
Miss,
Mabusha
I was wondering if you had anything else I could snack on.
mwambona akantu ko kurya gatoya
The peanuts?
wenda nk'utuntu tw'utunyobwa.
Gave me his, but my stomach is.
Ndumva mu ndanyi rwose hari vide.
we're gonna start the in-flight meal as soon as the storm dies down.
Ati rwose turashaka kurya mu ndege muba burimo butoya utuntu tw'utunyobwa utuntu nk'utwo tubajiya
Packaged salad.
ariko dufite n'utubusalade ku ruhande. Byaba ubonye udusalade byabasaba kurushaho aba ari packed salads. Umukecuru yakira ubusalade si ibyatsi nushaka n'ibyo kurisha ndabiguha.
Here you go.
Upangira ubusalade hakuno umukecuru ariko mu nda hakora icyatuza.
Peanuts.
Of course.
Yawe ni utunyobwa cyane peanuts. Abandi mu ndege nyine umukecuru arimo aratitira n'ubwoba.
You think you saw a ghost?
Ashaka yabonye umuzimu sheri Oya nta buzima ariko sibyo bahowe.
I think he probably thought he saw one.
Ahubwo yaketse ko yawubonye ariko nta muzimu se mu ndege gute.
Yeah. Probably just crazy.
No busazi buraho na bintu bya danger.
You know, I think I saw ghosts when I was little.
Nanjye najyaga njya kubona abonye umuzimu nyiri umwana. Serious?
I mean, maybe.
Ndakeka sindi shuwa yabyo.
When you see things you don't understand.
Hari ibintu tuzi ariko tutanasobanukiwe.
Old hallway.
Nari ni mu koridoro gishaje.
Out of the corner of your eye, but...
Mbere njya ari koridoro nkajyamo ibintu bidari hari mu mwijima.
Or you're driving and there's someone behind you.
Hari n'ukuntu ubutwaye imodoka ajya mu nyuma hari umuntu hari.
Gone.
Wahindukira ukabona ko nta muntu uhari.
Other people.
Yaba ari umuzimu cyane abandi bantu.
This one time.
Akira hakuno abantu bagira bahereza ibyo kurya.
Being in my bed.
Ahari njye nabaga ndi mu gitanda n'ingiye nyine.
On my side, looking out my window.
Nkumva ko hari umuntu yanze yidirishya arimo arandeba, nareba hanze yidirishya nkabura umuntu.
Because I was trying to go to sleep.
Ariko kenshi byambagayo nabaga nabuze ibitotsi nyine ndimo ndigaragura mu buriri.
Out of the woods.
Numva nyine nta gitotsi.
The guy?
Nkumva ko hari umusore uhari.
He looked like Frankenstein.
Nabonaga rwose asa nka Frankenstein. Kugeza umukobwa ko bagenda indege tayari.
Towards the house. Through the back.
Bagenda baganamo rwose uburyo ki.
Straight towards my window.
Yajyaga nabona ibintu bidahari kiri mutoya.
Until I could see the whites of his eyes. And then he just stood there and looked at me.
Hari n'igihe nabonaga umuntu ahagaze nk'ari arimo arandeba nkamureba mu maso.
I freaked out.
Iyo wagera ku gaso byendaga biti.
Went through and woke.
Nariruka nkajya mu cyumba cy'ababyeyi banje.
Guy in my window.
Ntabwo ahuremo nabona umuntu mu idirishya.
My dad. He came in and looked around.
Bakaza akareba mu idirishya akabona nta muntu uhari.
They even went into the backyard. They said I was dreaming.
Hari igihe numvaga ababyeyi banjye barimo baravuga ngo wenda narotaga.
I don't remember falling asleep.
Usibye ko numvaga barimo barambeshya ko sinibukaga igihe nasinziririye. Arimo aragenda aganiriza sheri wiwe. Byatangiye byose kubera umutipe wavuze ngo yaboneye umuzimu bamugira umusazi. Ibyo bibaho cyane mu bwana. Kubona ibintu bidahari ukikanga. Nawe ugeze ubona umuzimu ukiri umwana. Mugeze ngo bakundana baba Jene Maria usanga bigano ntabyo bakajya bakabeshyanya bagahimba inkuru akabwira mugenzi wo kuntu ihene yishingwe ngo kandi ngo iyo tayiga ngo niyo ari yiyenje ihene ngo birayishe.
Cool it.
Mwakira tukunywa. Wa musirikare wa Air Marshal yibereye ku bunyobwa n'amazi. Kumbe maniga bashinje urumogi. Tangiye kuzanzamuka. Hakunino babika amazi ibyo kunywa.
During a storm, we'll be picking crouton crumblies off the floor.
None yafata ubusarade muri storm cyangwa. Hano umukecuru byatse ariko nabirenze. Mano urugendo rw'indege rwa Atari.
That'll happen.
Reka twizere ko nabindi bibiri imbere.
And over there keeping watch, we should be fine.
Nabona uyu mugabo Charlie Bronson rwose arimo aracungana n'abantu. Ntakiri bube. Umukecuru arimo ararya. Arimo ararya umukecuru. Umukecuru arimo ararya. Salade. Dore ngo salade ngo arazigarura.
Need some help over here.
Yes, shenano fata inyuma. Umukecuru arutse salade. Salade arimo inyu.
Give me like a towel.
Zana kayishimi.
Okay, can you breathe?
Ngo yana wasajaje nike. Bana nyanga sa iminari yakanya isaruka harimo inyu.
Let's get you back to your seat.
Ye musubire myanya yanyu.
Get up.
Fata kayishima biyore. Teta wi. Bene bitese semera. Tebeza salade ari yako kanya. Ahitaruka inyu.
Check the other salad.
Gendure bizini salade. Urebe ukuntu zimeze. Utaza kujya kugaburira abandi bintu. Bino bintu bitabijyangiza mugenzi izina ry'indege. Bagabura ibintu biboze ibintu nk'ibyo. Maniga ndabuze ni salade do. Kumbe zoza zaboze. Arangije. Maniga za hakuno aho bamena imyanda. Muri puberi. Yitonze. Avana n'izindi salade zose bari bafite. Zose wuzuyemo inyo. Niba byagenze bitashane kunepa. Uwa mbere yabonye ibintu bidahari. None ibiryo bahagurutse ku kibuga cy'indege ari bizima. Bitangiye kubura. Nta namasanga ye baramara mu kirere. Urebe filime gusa. Aha banzamagare pilot amumenyeshe.
Flight deck.
Hey, sorry to bother you again.
Nongere ko murekere ko bangamira. Tayari sinyale z'indege zitangira kubura. Uri murahamagara network ziranga indege nayo mu kirere. This is Pan US 57. Over. turimo turabura controle bani uko bahamagara bo hasi ntago bumvikana system iri difficult ntago twaba twatracking ahantu muherereye yamwe n'ibiki bijya mbere
Well, they're rotten.
ibintu byaboze
Rotten.
byaboze
They're like satanic rotten.
bisa nkaho byaboze rwose ibintu bisa satani ibintu byuzuyemo inyo magotsi
That's disgusting.
ibintu biteye seseme bana
Your flight meals are rotten.
mwana ibiryo byo mu ndege byose byaboze
Great.
yeza cyane
Have Liam call LAX, tell him about the food.
none se yamu yabahamagaye aho twahagurukiye ku ndege ngabwira ibiryo badupakiriye
LAX.
haramwe ngahamagara muri LAX cyangwa se dosenyo sa indege yahagurutse
The passengers as comfortable as you can.
ariko abantu bari mu ndege batagiye ikintu bamenya rwose ibiryo mu bimene n'ibyo byakavuga ko nta birimo ariko batamenya ikijya mbere
What did he say?
avuze ngo
Keep everyone comfortable.
abantu baturishe nta kindi keep everyone comfortable
Phones aren't working.
telefone yako ntabwo ziri gukora
I think I-
halo
I'm comfortable.
barambwe ngo baturishe nta kindi telefone yahise ivaho
What?
ndimo numvamo ibiceri
Yes. Darkness.
ndimo numva ibintu rwose biteye ubwoba ya sasa indege dore ngo irazima dore ngo indege iracurama indege system yose indege irizimya hano igisigaye ni ugufunga imikandara igisigaye ni ugufunga imikandara dore indege ngo iracurama dore indege ngo iracurama system y'indege ziba down moteri zirijimije injini zirijimije ubwazo turabigenda dutese moteri z'ubwazo zirijimije nta kintu wakora ultimate nayo yazimye
You got eyes on the horizon, Ryan?
mwana turabigeza dute wana indege iri imanuka bumva butosho
Lightning strike.
indege iri imanuka butosho kandi indege irimo iramanuka gutya iricana moteri isubiraho moteri yisubizaho moteri zisubizaho barwana nayo iritambika mayday arimo arahamagara bari hasi iyi ni JFK Center pani US 57
Failure on route.
tugize cya engine failure moteri igiye hasi
Your systems check.
aho rwose muturabira system yacu cyose cyaba kibaye ntabwo bisanzwe biba
We're in aerodynamic stall. We are dead stick.
hano bose baravugijwe ntacyo babikoraho ya filime sasa tayari bashitura moteri imwe irashya sasa indege ifite ntuze ebyiri imwe irafatwa dore ngo indege iramanuka butosho
Copy that. Pull back with me. We gotta get this.
gerageza ukuri tureba twasubiza ku murongo indege ntabwo hey ya filime sasa reba filime sasa samaganda planta hano harabwe ngo kitapimpa ariko ibyo yanyweye simbizi ariko mukanure cyane nakubwiye ni da premier inkora indege se indege iricara
We get them spinning. The generators will run.
nta generator ziri mu ndege cyangwa
No, we're too far out. Not gonna work.
mwana sinzi icyo umuntu yakora sinzi ko byakunda gerageza connecte bakonekiteho generator bashitira moteri indege yabuze stability yabuze stamina yabuze ubwicara nase no yicara cyangwa igenda cyangwa ihagarara ariko tu iracyacurama hey tayari abari mu ndege ariko
Fire, damn it. Connect.
mwanda
Damn it.
mwanda ibintu byabaye sagara
Gonna return.
mwana tugeze kuri point of no return nta gusubira inyuma turore mwana fata bikunde kubw'amahirwe tayari kubw'amahirwe kurura arayicoza indege irongera ikora iki bayirebesha mu kirere hayiwe yari yacuramye hey indege irongera ikwama mu kirere fresh na system irongera iraka iyi ndege nabonye sinzi ibyayo nabanyari imibare gatandatu kandi bya mibare bya ruminata indege irakwama hey sakara nababwiye mana ishimwe thanks god
Lead, please contact the cockpit. Thank you.
ati rwose naba fly lead nabayoboye indege
Good work.
koze neza mwana moto z'ibintu byasubiye murongo
That before.
ntabwo nigeze mbona indege ipfa gutya
But not like that.
ntabwo ari uko bijya bigenda nanjye kabisa n'ubwa mbere biranunguye
You're getting to see a lot of things you never seen.
ariko mu ndege utwara indege ubona ibintu byinshi ariko nanjye mu majoro yose natwaye ubwa mbere mbibonye
Just had a heart attack.
kristo nanirwaye umutima kabisa ay
Can you start the walkthrough?
ubu wakongera ukabasha gutambuka kandi acemo mbaturishe nta kindi banza fata hano telefoni
You okay back there?
inyuma mumeze neza ra yakuba mumeze neza winsapurize mudutegereje ikidege cyanyu kigoswe
That was a lot.
yewe byari bihatari
How about everyone else? Any injuries?
abantu bari wakomeretse
I don't know
ntabwo mbizi nari wakomeretse
yet.
ariko mugenzi wanjye arimo aracamo hagati sanda byumva
About 4:10 we hit New York.
saa 10:10 twinjiye New York
See if we can make this a better trip from here
ka
on
turebe
out.
ko wenda iyi trip iyo twayirangiza neza kurusha uko twayitangiye ariko biri kose abaturage barakaye umva
Oh, sweetie,
hano hari wakubise rwose izuru ku idirishya
let me touch you up in the restroom. I'm not.
tujye mu bwiherero urebe ko wafata agatambaro kihanagura ngwino hakuno ino hano hari ukubise izuru ahita ava imyuna
Need
Yes.
abandi mumeze neza saa murakoze baratambuka ajya mu bwiherero arimo arava imyuna azarabika amazuru yinjiramo indani meze neza ukomeze mutwihangane rwose indege byawe byari bigenze neza arabasobanurira yitonze banaye agatelefoni telefoni zirakwama
Gentlemen, apologies for the turbulence, as you may have gathered.
ati rwose abagore namwe bagabo turbulence duhuye nayo rwose itera ikibazo gikomeye ariko mukomeze mwihangane umukecuru ufata amazi umwe
He's back in order.
ati rwose mukomeze mutwihanganira amakuru meza nuko indege rwose yasubiye muri order indege muri situation nziza
But it's our #1 priority.
ati rwose kohereza ikirere tukajya muri New York City niyo priority yacu nicyo kibanze
Safe and sound.
kandi turamakinga dushaka ko turi bageze amahoro kandi munahumeka neza
It's about 4 hours.
ati rwose tugashira amasaha 4
Sit back and try to relax
icyo musabwa ni ukwicara mukarelaksa
through the cabin to make sure everyone
ati rwose cabin crew icyo muri bukene babwire cyangwa se aba flight attendant baraba buri kimwe kandi mukomeze mwihanganira indege yacu kubwa discomfort y'akanya gato yewe
I am not. It's just.
uyu yagari ubwenge ati kuki mwamambiriye aho gufunga n'umunwa
What? I
Ko acicika
You had an episode.
wo episode ya mbere yagenze nabi twagwambiriye
I had to restrain you.
nagomba kugwambira
No, understand. It's for your own good.
ibyo nakoze ni kubw'inyungu za it's for your own good
No, you don't understand.
ariko ntabwo unyumva nkabubwiza ukuri hamwe ntabwo unyumva
Let me tell you one more time. Shh.
utongera guteza akavuyo please mfasha tetuwaceceka nyumva neza
You have the right to remain silent.
you have the right to remain silent ufite uburenganzira bwo gufunga umunwa
And if I were you, that's
iyo mba ndi wowe
what I would do.
akabaye mfungura umunwa sibyo ceceka please
Relax.
saba ngaho relax ceceka utuze maniga baramwe ngo atete gafunga umunwa nta kindi bamushinja ibimogi bavuga ibiki kumbe hano mukaragiye kureba neza ariko ibintu mugenzi wanjye yavugaga warimo arabona ibintu hanze y'indege nawe aronguruka hanze urebe mwene abonamo amagi nawe areba hanze arebye hanze mwene abonamo amagi abona hari ikintu kimeze nk'aho ari umuntu ariko se itabi ryo mu kajyasi mwene abona nyiri romba ariko ni itabi cyangwa sasa hari ibintu ubona ukavuga naba nasinze cyangwa baba pilot aho bari
LAX Center.
barahamagara muri LAX Center
Lost contact with JFK.
mwaduhamagare ku kibuga cya JFK niya ndege ya Pan U-57
I can't.
bari guhamagara aho baturutse bakominikana n'aho barimo barajya babatunganyiriza umwana hasigaye amasaha make bakaba balandinga
Gonna have to be lost power.
bisa nk'aho n'uburyo twabuze umuriro n'ikintu bazi
What about the systems check?
warebye system yose ihagaze neza se
Went through the book.
narebye mu gitabo
Why, but
ikintu cyatuma indege yizimya
got a few problems.
gusa aho tuba dufite utubazo dukeya
According to the diagnostics, the cabin pressure is good.
ati nkurikije ibyo mbona cabin pressure imeze neza fuel irimo
Landing gear
landing gears imeze neza
down and autopilot's gone.
Yeah.
ariko bantu twatwarira muri system ya autopilot indege ikitwara vuba mwashyizemo icyerekezo
Greatest ever built. Keep our hands on the wheel, we should be just fine.
ati reka dukomeze dutware ibya autopilot tubireke turaza kumera neza nta kindi
For some reason, we lose navigation.
hasi wasanga hari impamvu turimo turabona navigation niyo mpamvu se
Through a storm with engine failure, not really.
ayibaze nawe kuba turi mu kirere nk'iki ngiki indege moteri ikizimya
Keep calm, kid, alright?
mwana muto tuzane bwa nubwo uje mu ndege
Keep your-
ibintu tubimazemo imyaka Abwe nusinzire gusa.
The report.
Hamagara bakuri artist wabwira ibya munuza report.
Well,
Acha nano ka screen ka artist. Arebe hano.
we wanted to divert our path according to the data. There's no...
Tino tukashaka guhindura icyerekezo dukurikije data duhabwa ni artist. Ntabwo byadukundira ko turana turi mu cyerekezo kimwe.
I can't see anything out there.
Ntacyo ndimo ndabona pe.
Equipment, no equipment, radio or no radio. Storms only last so long.
Ati mwana kamubwire yaba radio cyangwa itaro cyangwa se ikintu kitariho. Nage inkubi nk'izi z'imiyaga zijya zitinda mu kirere. N'ebyakanya gato. Turenga ikirere ingo ziri kubitira turajyanda ameze neza. Sasa telefone nawe yavuyeho network yijimije. Kumbe nta kintu mbonye. Anayimuka. Hey. 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 Sema midea. Sasa waje mubwiherero. Mana nyenzi kubiti cyangwa ngo mbiti izuru mva minyuna. Hari hano mubwiherero. Tangira kumva amajwi. Arazima. Areje mukira urabona kwirosi bamukase. Kumbe na bamukase. Arimo areba mwirosi akabona yakatise. Ariko sinimo ndafa amaraso cyangwa. Atangira kwivugisha. Hasa nibije byambere bana? Arimo areba miruwara akabona kwirosi bamubaze. Kandi yakwikora kumva ni muzima. Bana bari mu ndege ariko ni ibintu dari mabuja.
Excuse me, man?
Mama nyihangana kusakuza niki? Nta majwi mwumvara?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Mama uranyumva? Ari reba akabona ari cyamubaza.
You know he's gonna me?
Oya. Mumfashe. Abura sasa abura. Sakanduza bafungurije.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Mabuja ihangane.
The lock override is stuck. I can't open.
Nuza yo ku muryango irimo indani kare. Fata kare uyikate urakingura. Na kare ndimo ndabona. Kare umva hariho kare. Kata kare. Kare arayibura. Sasa abantu bari mu ndege bari kubona ibintu bidahari. Basa n'abacanganye ikiwe. Reba filime sasa. Reba filime sasa. Aya. Ndimo ndabona ari cyamukuruye. Kimukuruye. Yibona handi hantu. Urebe. Hey! Yibona handi hantu ariko. Na kubwiye bitandatu kukoze na jombo cyo kirimo. Hey, imbere ye. Aiwe
smartphone yawe yaraguhenze none nguyishyize mu maboko atabyigiye ngo bayigukorere. Oya yishyira abatekinisiye b'umwuga ba Isatech iherereye mu mujyi kwa Makuza ahateganye n'umusigiti bayigukorere kinyamwuga. Muri Isatech bakora telefone z'ubwoko bwose muri service zikurikira: gukora cyangwa gusimbura bateri, gusimbura screen yangiritse, gukora cyangwa gusimbura aho ucomeka charger kuri telefone, charging port, gukora kamera itagikora neza cyangwa kuyisimbura. Tunagufitiye abatekinisiye bakora za projecteri kandi uzadusangana accessoires za telefone nka covers, chargers, screen protectors, camera protectors. Sanga Isatech ku mbuga nkoranyambaga za Instagram, TikTok na Facebook. Wanaduhamagara kuri 0785 104 091.
Mana we uyarwana na kare koko. Fata kare kata kare. Agize gutyo byakomeye. Abona no wundi wa Air Marshal kwinana mu musada.
Please.
N'ubundi abarete y'Amerika bayishyize mu ndege ni kesi. Baramusari mwikiye mu ndege bakabatabara.
It's coming to help, okay?
Aro muri muraza kuba yafasha mu konga utuza.
Stay calm.
Niba uri muranyumva stay calm. Kibazo ki?
I think that there's a woman trapped inside.
Mudama isanga yahezemo indani.
She's stuck.
Yahezemo indani.
Yeah, the lock
Urumva ni mechanism y'imifungire.
properly.
Ntabwo arimo arakora neza wasanga yahezemo indani.
Here, let me try.
Ngaho vongerageze. Na wakati kare biranga mabuja. Hata mimi nasikia huko ndani lakini una shida gani?
This is the U.S. Air Marshal. I need
Ni US Air Marshal.
right now. You're right.
Ni mara nzakora gufungurira. Umuryango wibanye n'abana batangira kubyumva. Nta tindo wandusha. Kintu kimeze nk'itindo fera beto n'abandi batangira gurunguruka. Hano hari agatindo. Ah.
Oh, great.
Ya baretse gato nkwereke. Soja boy yarangije. yitonze kumwindane muri miruwari umwicanyi uko tuza turaje baragata tugukingurire Dongo nyine bavuga ibiki ngaho ni mbona ibintu kiri kuvuga ari umwicanyi saza idayimoni mirabwira umgongo harimo umwicanyi mu ndege bakinguye umukobwa kumbe yicaye hasi.
Oh my god.
Mara nyagasani ayiwe ndimo nakibona kiramwe wa muri ndege harimo umwicanyi madara seriyo kira madara.
Okay.
Muko urimo avuga amagambo atumvikana. Urimo avuga mother father ni kira usobanukiwe.
Yeah, can you take a seat?
Banza wicare mukobwa muto banza wicare uruhuke. Ayiwe mana.
What happened?
Bigenze biti?
The mirror.
Muri miruwari. Muri miruwari.
What about the mirror?
Miruwari sibaye iki kandi?
I saw her. She was
Namubonye.
pregnant.
Yaratwite, she was pregnant. Ntabwo nahumeka numva naheze umwuka. Umukobwa navuga ntabwo byumvikana. Saza maniga mbere yabwe ko afite ikintu yabonye amugira umusazi.
Okay.
Muko banza tuze.
For me?
Ngaho basi mfurika ngufasha haguruke ujye mu mwanya wawe. Sasa uwo bise umwaro umugi. Banza atangiye kwizera ibyo yababwiraga.
It's okay. Alright.
Ntacyo bitwaye. Yarangije bari bicaranye mu mwanya ni mwene wabona mamagi. Mwene wabona nyiri romba. Yitonze. Sinabivuze. Mukamvuga ngo meze nka nuza nkunywa injaga. Se. Hey. Banike bamugize umusazi. Baricara. Ariko namwe nawe bana mamagi hari ikintu yabonye. Umeze neza. Oh, indebye ubona ameze neza.
What is going on?
Ni ibiki bijya mbere.
We're never flying this flight again is what's going on.
No.
Uyu abantu bacanganyiciwe.
Hey, that guy.
Brand nanga gucanganyicirwa indege ifite ibintu biteye ubwoba. Bamwe yarutsinyo, undi ngaho nawe yabonye ibintu bidahari. Nundi nawe marabona ibintu bidahari mu bwiherero. Iyi ndege ni indege. Sheri tuzo bipanika.
I don't know either.
Sheri nanjye rega simbizi uyimbaza.
Hell of a storm.
Wasanga ari ingubi y'umuyaga ari ikirere kimeze nabi.
All right.
Are you okay?
Yewe umeze neza.
You're not.
Mana amaze cyo gupfira hano. Sheri ntago turi bupfi.
Air Marshal said that the crazy one was a terrorist.
Ariko naturiye umugabo w'umusirikare Air Marshal yavuze ko ambere ari umuterrorist.
Okay, ma'am.
Anagara ibyo navuze umura mama na terrorist mano.
What are we supposed to do when there's a
Nese turakora iki?
plane? I mean,
Sasa muri abaturage abasivile bose bezana ko yabonye umusirikare abaziki ibikibazo byose byakemutse.
If you heard something-
Babona abonye umusirikare maze imyaka 2 adatahagiye kwa abafashe. Mutugi.
Maybe we shouldn't call him crazy.
Ntabwo twakwe twamwisha umusazi.
Okay, nothing.
Ariko yavuga ibintu by'imeze n'abazimu. Hana mwana wabona mama nawe yabonye ikibazo nk'umuzimu.
It's just all a little frazzled right now.
Urumva ibintu by'indege y'umuntu agiye mu bwa mbere agira ikintu cyahamuka akantu k'ubwoba nawe niko bimeze.
It's a malfunction. It's a
Urumva nihungabana.
malfunction with the plane.
Indege yagizemo akabazo ariko nta kindi kibazo gihari. Umudayimoni mu ndege yabageye.
Boys, you better keep that man away from me because I just want him
Umva uriya mugabo mwamuhambira kugira ngo nabona agaca kwa ibyo bavuga byari impamo.
on the ground. You know, maybe we got struck by lightning, you know?
Wasanga twakubiswe n'inkuba nawe ubizi.
Going in now.
Hano buri umwe mu ndege bavuga ibye. Cyane cyane abantu bageze muri situation iteye ubwoba.
I'm a teacher and I watch the news.
Okay, twake n'amakuru turi amakuru kuturebe ko hasi bimeze.
You know what? Cool it. All right.
Mwana mwese maze mutuze.
Okay, we're on a plane. The plane
Twese turi mu ndege.
is a machine.
Kandi indege mwibuka ko ari imashini.
The signals get jumbled.
Nk'uko umuntu afata telefone sinyara zikabura n'indege byayibaho. Mugerageze mutuze.
Some shit's gonna go wrong. So
Mwitera n'ubwoba mugena mwana umuntu mushize amakosa.
don't even know it's true.
Mutagiye mu mwaka yuzinga.
Everyone panic.
Mwepanika.
Exactly.
Bivuga rata no kuri.
Sit back and
Mwese mwicare mufunge imikandara nta kindi gisabwa.
You sure everything's normal?
Hakoje urishwe muri yose meze neza.
I'm not sure.
Asheri ntago ndishyure ko ngomba guturisha abantu.
It's not supernatural.
Naye ntago ndi ikintu kidasanzwe.
We're on a plane, and planes have problems.
Sheri turi mu ndege kandi indege nazo zigira ibibazo.
Something's not right, Brad.
Sheri hari ikintu kitameze neza ariko.
I know.
Ndabizi.
How about we take our mind off this?
Reka tuzibikure indege tubitekerezeho. Sheri banza wumve nk'umuziki.
My brother.
Mfite ubu mix tape nagiye nshyira kuri nuza kuri
Right?
akuriwe nuza yawe umva imiziki.
I don't know. It feels weird.
Ntabwo nakumva imiziki yene kumva ibintu bidasanzwe.
Babe,
Sheri bebe
we're in a storm. Storms pass.
iyo turi mu bihe bitoroshye tubicamo.
If I open my carry-on and snakes fall out,
Ariko iteka ihora ubitekereza biragukurikirana. Icyo usabwa ni kimwe tuza muri wowe. Bombe reba hariya. Bombe ku kuri miruwari yabo aracyanditseho ngo mada. Wabibonye? Ntabwo ari mada cyangwa fada ni mada y'umwicanyi. sasa hakuno mahige babwiye ngo anywa injaga arashaka kwihambura. Warusingo umva neza nkubwire.
You're really stupid if you think I'm letting you out of my sight.
Waruzuguryo nibuzuko nakuvanya amaso urinjije uri muri besha cyane.
Relax.
Tuza. Asiya gusa. Hano natangiye kumva turi mu mugenza w'iby'intekerezo. Kwihorera ntabwo zijya bihagarika. Nibikira? Ngo kwihorera bizijya bihagarara?
Did you say something to me?
Wumve muri ekuteri. Kwihorera ntibizigera bihagarara ariko se. Ari mu ngoma yumvira amandi majwi.
Say something?
Sheri umbwiye ngo iki?
What?
Njyewe? Yego.
Thought I heard something.
Mandari numvise ko simbi ntiyabyitaho subizamo ekuteri. Yumvira muri ekuteri. Uri hehe? Hagarara mbere yuko umwijima mwinshi. Ariko se. Ibintu ndi kumvura kubyumva cyangwa?
There's someone trying to call me or...
Ndakeka ari umuntu murageza kumamagara cyangwa kubwira ibintu.
What?
Akubwira ibikize.
What am I trying to hear? I don't hear anything.
Kuse kuntu ibintu numva ko nabyumva ko numva ingoma. Brandon. Sheri yego niki? Mukobwa agira makoba nangiye kumva ibintu bidahari nako ntacyo. Hari kivuga kuri muri ibintu bidahari bakakugira umusazi. Uwa mbere yaboneye mu ikirahure undi arukinyo uwa gatatu muri toilette. Subizame kuteri. Umwitaje yumva amajwi bimumena amatwi.
Or something?
Sheri umuzamuriye volume cyangwa?
Or something, Jesus!
Umenya amatwi mariyemo volume. Agize gutya kure kuteri yazaho amaraso. Bumumenya amatwi. Sheri utangiye kunkanga abantu utangiye kunera ubwoba. Sheri amatwi aramenetse avamo amaraso. Sheri arangije subizane kuteri gira makoba ibiri muri indege rangi ko mubibona niko mibona bagatinze oyi nawe hakuno wa mukobwa Alice nawe akora mu ndege ari muri cabin crew.
Captain.
What the? Alice, there's procedure for a reason. You can't
Alice nuko injana mbere tabandi kutubwira jwanzu tumenyeshe.
Angel be on the ground.
Amasana atatu asigaye.
That's what I'm worried about.
Hari ibintu byamangayikishije.
All worried about?
Ndahangayitse pe.
We're losing this flight.
Iyi ndege ishobora kuba yatwaye ihomba.
I need you to take control.
Ndashaka mukontorere buri kintu cyose byo. Mabarira gato.
So far we've had a lightning storm.
Ndabona inkuba ari nyinshi tubonye ibyo byaboze. Abantu bapanitse abantu batangiye guta umutwe.
I don't know what this is, but
hano ntago ibintu bisanzwe pe. Bakivuga ntago bisanzwe. Akivuga ntago bisanzwe. Indege tayari. Mukobwa ari gafite ingingo.
I need you to calm.
Nyen Alice nyene ko mutuza nta kindi.
It's a rough flight, but you've been doing this.
N'urugendo rubi rw'indege ariko nyene nakundi.
All right, I don't know what's
Nagaruka mbere byabaye munatwaye indege.
problem is, but I can't be back.
Sinzi yari gusa. Kiraza gukemuka.
Can to keep us in the air.
Turimo nakora ibyo kugenda indege kumwe mu kirere cyane.
You're doing a great job. It's just.
Cyane muragiza kubona akora akazi kanye neza nayo n'ubu ncanganyikishe. Ugerageze gusa twubahane. Alice yangane. Ariko subira inyuma udacanganyikisha umupilot.
Look, I'm trying to be a hard ass here. It's just.
Nimugerageze gutuma mfunga umutwe.
This flight with
Ziko turi bicemo.
drink.
Uko buri muntu akomeza kubwira ibyo akubwira ne gucanganyikirwa kurushaho. Alice subira inyuma. Kumbe n'uyu nawe utwaye indege. Urebe. Pilot. Uri murabibona ra?
See what?
Atangira kubona ibintu bidahari. Mbone bikise.
That.
Birane biki one?
Up there in the clouds.
Reba ariya mu bicu mwana.
Birds?
Ni inyoni cyangwa?
That's impossible, Bert.
Ntabwo bishoboka indege ahantu indege irize abari inyoni.
In the world?
Ntabwo ibyo bintu byabaho. Pilot wiga kaza gatangira kubona ibintu bidahari. Inyoni muri iki kirere kireshya gutya. Bariya nabantu mbona cyangwa?
What are you talking about?
Mwana bavuga ibiki? Captain.
See anything?
You're not seeing this?
Mwana nijye uri kubona gusa cyane abantu mbona bagenda.
Christ.
Yesu Kristo. Tangira gutitsira sasa pilot. Agize gutya birabura.
You want me to take over for a minute?
mwana wavuyeho gato nkaba ntwaye ukaba ugiye ku ruhande.
Break might do you some good, maybe some coffee.
Umukorera agakawa gashyushye.
Break shit.
Umva ntago nasaze bana.
Bottle of water, please, Alice.
Zanira amazi Alice rata, zanira amazi. Ayiro twabyise umunaniro. Bamushakira agakawa cyangwa amazi.
There's no shame in being exhausted. It's
Ushaka kunanirwa nta gisebo kirimo. Ne bintu biba kuri buri muntu ariko biba byiza. Mwana ameze neza bana.
scared.
Je byemeze neza.
Yeah, me too.
Bafite ubwoba nanjye ubwoba ndabufite.
Yeah, maybe a little.
We narufite bucya ariko ndabufite.
I don't know, something's not right.
Ariko ikibazo cyo ibintu bitameze neza muri iyi ndege.
Right.
Ndimo ndabyiyumvisha ntabwo ibintu bimeze neza muri iyi ndege.
Okay.
Kuri muri atitira cyane se. Natitira gusa se ko ndimo natitira binarenze.
What is this saying? I guess I just get a lot on my mind.
Ngana ni byinshi mfite mu mutwe wanjye. Rangije. Bibaye tamuzanira amazi.
Thanks.
Akira kamata maji. Amuhereza n'amazi.
What'd you see?
Ye ubonye iki? Subiramo ibintu wabonye.
I don't know.
Yewe ntabwo mbizi. Anywa amazi. Yabanje kubona ngo ibinyoni ngo abona abantu bagenda mu kirere. Ndege ngo bezi biri kumuvuduka uri hejuru cyane. Tayari. Amazi hano haratangiye kuva amazi. Indege sirava. Nibati. Urebe. Ubwo yabanje kumeneka amatwi. Arangije aza karungu muri we. Karungu zimwongoza guhaguruka. Arahindukira bopoto urebe. Hey! Sihora mwansabaga mwicare. Nawe njyari ibintu barabwiri. Hey! Bitandatu ntago ari menshi. Umukobwa azahizemo karungu. Ndege. Umukobwa akomeza imbere. Ibyo murora nanjye nibyo mbona. Kagakobwa gakwaye muri cabin crew para mu ndege kamuturuka imbere. Amuco nkutamureba ariko se. Uyu muntu arimo arageye. Akomeza he? Urebe. Akomeza zaho ba pilot bari. Kumara manigara kunajya betafite tuntu dukoresho. Maniga bafite inyanga ziwe nabakingwira bwa bwiherero. Arangije.
Make sure this stays open, okay?
Making sure ko uyu muryango utawufunga. Urumva? Making sure ko nta ntafunga. Maniga bafite hana majini yiwe yinywera.
Danny.
Sheri Dani. Danieli. Bano bitwa ba Daniela. Musore wa Danieli, umukobwa wa Daniela. Maniga arangije. Kaneshinire game Nebyenza kumbe mugenzi Sheri yari yamoye agafoto ko muri kografi ari purenya aratwite bire purenya hajira umwonyi ayo biri yarafiyemere Sankara nabwe ngibyo mbonye bahunguwe binganya gupfusha imbye yiye kubitara ya majini yiwe yinywera ijini ryiwe daimoni abu tripora bugotomera indege yimira ava nk'ibatirishaje kiri wanje aratwite ariko yabona ikintu atwite kimeze nk'araganga k'umuntu Brandon
What?
Yeche ariko ndumva nameze neza Sheri.
What's going on?
Ishijya mbere se.
Would you think it was weird if I thought there was something else on this flight?
Bare bintu mbona ngiye mubwirera ariko Sheri cyo mashije kubona cyo indege ifite ibibazo. Indege ifite ibibazo.
Is it like your Frankenstein thing?
Urutangiye kubona bya bintu wabona guri mutoya bidahari. Oya.
I'm not following.
Ntago nkurikiye rwose.
Danny?
Danny.
Hey,
Danny Sheri. Mukobwa.
Are you okay?
Sheri meze neza.
Do you have aspirin?
Waba ufite aspirin or the painkillers?
I think there's some in my carry-on.
Ndashaka biri mu gikapu cyanje. Anze nkurebere. afunguye ari cyamufashe ubwo yikubita hasi kwikubita hasi abona ari mu mizigo hasi yibona ari mu mizigo mbere ye umwicanyi the killer hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege umudamu utwita busa nkaho yabyaye ariko ataragira ngo uhureho ataragenya hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege ahwereye nibwo yagarutse hakuno ubwonko iriya setinire zindi ndege ki setini ndege usanga harimo setini bazimu kene gifaransa nayivuze cyo meze neza iriya setini ndege pariske vraiment donc cara hakuno
It's all right. What happened?
tuza sheri jakure yanjye uzana amazi vuba
There's nothing there.
nta kintu kiriyo
There's nothing there.
kimfasha akaboko kiramfashe
Look.
iriya setini dayimoni.
How about you two quit freaking everybody out?
We're not trying to
hasi murakomeza gukanga abantu kugeza ryari
freak anybody.
umugore arimo arakanga abantu batangira gusa mwitongana mwana
In fact, it's making
ibintu mudatumemera nabi nimba hari ikibaye mwibitonganiramo
To calm her down.
urimo aragereza kuba naturisha umugore wanjye nawe winyasamaho urumva umerewe neza cyane mogaki ubonye ikisi
Woman, I think,
mbonye umugore ndakeka
dead in the bin, stuffed in there.
rwose nabona nkaza nk'uri mu myanda
I hope
ariko yarameze nk'uwapfuye
grabbed me.
yashatse kumfata
And I know there's nothing there, but
gusa nizwe nta kintu cyari gusa
so real.
numvaga ari ibyanyabyo
I believe you.
ndakwizera ntabwo wasaze
Something's going on here. We just need to find out what.
uko biri kose muri iyi ndege hari ikibazo kirimo dukeneye kuba twamenya icyo ari cyo
sure.
ko bameze neza ra
Yeah, I think so.
ndakeka atangiye kumererwa neza
I promise, I just don't know.
ndabasezeranye n'ibirema mbonye umugore utwite usa nkaho yabyareka ataragira
You really don't want to go to the bathroom.
nanjye ibintu byarabonye ni muri bathroom sandro bagize umusazi bwa mbere
Oh, great. Mr. Crazy Man's awake.
nabona wa wundi mwese umusazi yakangutse
Look, please don't say it, okay?
ntongere gusakuza mukecuru
This on this plane. Look,
watajya wongera kuvuga ko hano harimo umuntu rwose ikiye mu ndege
Mr. Marshall.
nyakubaha masho ngwino hano tuvugane
Why don't we just tie her ass to a chair?
icyo abantu nk'aba batanganje mutabahambirira ku ndege bahambire ndi mwiterana amagambo
You got nothing to worry about.
nta mpamvu yo guhangayika muze mutuze
I just don't
ntabwo
understand.
ntabwo mbyumva
I don't understand what's going on.
ntabwo nizo biri kujya mbere muri iyi ndege
Look, nobody knows what's going on.
natwe ntabwo tuzi biri kujya mbere muri iyi ndege
But the one thing that I do know is that
gusa icyo nzi ni uko ari kimwe
I trust the man with the badge.
njye ndizera umugabo ufite baji y'umusirikare
And
mureka akora akazi ke afite n'imbunda ariko
a lot of crazy unseen shit going on.
hari umwana uri kugera mbere muri iyi ndege ataramenya uwo ari wo utangurira ku mugore mubona ntabwo asaze batangira gupfa umugore mwana mwatuje ariko
We're families, just like everybody in this plane.
nta mugabo ukunda umuntu umuvugira ku mugore cyangwa uvuga ku muryango we ntabwo ushotana ariko ntabwo muri abana mwicare mutuze mwembi ndavuze ngo icara hasi uwa eya masho anatanga itegeko
I need everyone
ubyanga guhambira
on their shoulders.
mwese dufite ibibazo natwe duhuriyeho twese
Stay calm, okay?
mureke dutuze sibyo
I don't think it's terrorism.
nta cyanga atari ikihebe
Stop using that word. That word just...
mureke gukoresha iryo jambo mudakomeza kukanga n'abandi benshi
Whoa, what do we
ese usanzwe umva
express ourselves?
cyangwa nta mutuye muri korea y'amajyaruguru nawe usobanura uri seriye cyangwa
I'm sorry, I'm not usually this much of an asshole.
ibintu byandambiye rwose ntabwo byumva
Hey!
we umva
It's scary when the plane malfunctions. It is.
bitera ubwoba iyi ndege itarimo iragenda neza
We are people who do this for a living. So let us do our job and we will be fine.
mureke twihangana nk'abantu bataye umutwe mureke dukore ibintu ku murongo turaza kumera neza
See, it's exactly what I was saying. Malfunction.
nawe ibyo navugaga indege ishobora kuba ifitemo ikibazo
Gas leak, loss of cabin pressure.
wasanga amavuta yamenetse cyangwa ikindi
Until we
nta kintu navuze
gonna be okay.
hanyuma dusigaye cyane nyuma yashyika muri New York
Just gonna be a couple more hours, okay?
ni
We're
amasaha makeya tugiye kuhagera
Would you please check in with the captain, make sure all the...
bagenda rebe captain umubwe ko hari ikintu yadufasha atubwira amasaha asigaye
What do you think's going on here?
We are losing electricity.
umuriro urimo agenda ukikuraho umuriro ukagaruka abantu baragenda bakabona bibara ahandi ibyo ntabwo ari ibintu biri mekaniko wasanga ari ibintu biri demoniki cyangwa spiritual
We're still in the air.
Turashari mu kirere mwana urumva.
Fantastic,
byiza.
They that knows what the hell they're doing.
Hey,
bivuze ngo nawe uzi ibijya mbere.
You keep talking.
Nubwo tutazi ibijya mbere biba byiza wafungura umunwa rwawe kuri umunwa urimo abangamira abantu.
Keep your mouth shut.
Funga umunwa nabyana kunaniye uryame. Shut the fuck up.
I'm so sorry about all this.
Mbabareje bwa buri kimwe waye ntakibazo bebe.
Don't be sorry, okay?
Namamvuye kunyaka imbabazi sibyo.
Do anything wrong.
Nta kintu kibakoze.
I don't know what's happening.
Nanjye sinzi biri kumbaho.
To take the aspirin?
Bafashe tunini.
I wouldn't.
Don't worry, sweetheart.
Mwana wanjye ntuhangayike mwana wanjye.
But if there is a major malfunction while we're in the air during a storm...
Erega iyo habaye ikibazo nk'icyo turi mu bihe nk'ibi ngibi. Hano habura ahantu bigira banyira ndabizi mu ndege. Ari n'ubwa mbere yigensemo. Bakira aho maniga ahambiririye hakuno.
Check for problems on the ground. Look, has the captain mentioned anything about when and where we're gonna land?
Ese captain yaba yavuze ni turi burandinge ni ryari turi burandinge.
At this point, trying to land in this. We're safer up here.
Atano turi rwose aratekanye. Umbuko baraho.
Excuse me?
Munyihanganire.
What about the storm?
Naho ikintu kire kimeze gutya. Turagicamo kugeza ryari. Umbuko bavuga. Urebe.
Tracking with us.
Excuse me.
Munyiha yewe.
It's not electrical.
Nage cyaza ari cyumuriro. Bakira aho. Bakiri mu ndege. Bari mu ndege abona. Mayiti urumva. Rambo kalambo. None bakabonera rimwe. Oh. Bana babibonera rimwe. Hey. Ngoba vere bafata kumbunda ariko. Sema kantu kakoba. Babone mayiti cyarimwe. Irangije betonga urutoki imbere. Atunga imbere. Yaba. Yarasakuje. Irangije arabura. Muzi murabura. Muzi murabura. Oya. Oya tangira kwirukanga. Muzi muzirabura.
We need to do an emergency.
Ubare kintu kiri emergency. Mutagana murandinga. Ibi ni byanyabyo. Ibiki byanyabyo.
Storm clears up.
Nago twarandinga naho rose turabanyije bari kunasi ku kibuga cy'indege.
Alice, what's going on?
Alice ni ibiki bijya mbere. Umuzimu uri mu ndege yafashwe n'abazimu.
Again with this?
Aho umukobwa yasaze cyangwa. Nago indege yaba haunted.
We're all tired.
No.
Ndabisura rushe.
What do you mean to?
Mugerageze munyuma mutakana murandinga indege. Kubera ko abazimu bari muri indege. Ndabinyiza mutakana mu pariki indege. Nandi mutaka muyipora mare muzo muyibandike. Ariko mutaka mubandike indege kumbasheri wihangayika. Doshigara minota 95. Ubwo ni sana 35.
Pure jeopardy.
Indege mwayibanditse mubandike indege mutaka mu pariki. Nago indege bayiparike randinga.
Storm's been on us since takeoff.
Storm imeze nabi nacyo twagufasha. Nahandi twaja.
Would you listen to yourself?
Hebi numukobwa arimo arabana indege yabaye haunted.
Superstitious.
Bakira aha arukinjiye muri uyu. Wahundi Jacques. Ubwo kwihorera for revenge atanyavana magambo.
What did you say?
Avumwishinja.
Right.
Ahambura umukandara. Ryan subiza umukandara bana. Ryan. Kwihorera revenge. Yatakutwaye. Sasa rangarata kwa rusigaye atwaye. Beba filime sasa. Beba ngindege ritwara. Tayari. Inde. Beba filime. Bitana tunangani menshi. Tayari. Beba ngindege iracurama. Beba ngindege iracurama. Abazimu bateye indege. Beba filime sasa. Nakubwira cyari mideya. The one and only. Umwite da premiere. Kuri YouTube yacu acha ibiganiro biryoshye. Isankara indege. Indege dore ngo yitwara. Reba kajagari mu ndege. Ryan ndekura. Ryan yabaye Ryan. Ryan akanda maso. Kaga shirika Alice. Indege dore ngo iracurama. Ona ndege sasa. Ona ndege. Vitu biko hapa. Misi bijube lakini ibintu bimezambe. Ibintu byazambye we. Tayari. Maniga baye haunted. Paundi wa air marshal. Yaraje namufata. Yanarwa no gutunganya indege. Indege asubiza ku murongo ariko sinzi. Ya filime sasa. Hey. utaryohewe n'agasobanuro wajya kuri YouTube ukareba ibiganiro byacu biryoshye cyane kuri YouTube channel yacu yitwa Sankarada Premier niba gukora subscribe.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost it when the plane lost power.
Ndege bwa mbere yabuze umuriro dutumutwe ariko bitangiye kuzamba. Bigenze bitese. Ari cyamwicometse. Amaso yarabaye umukara yongera atungana arahwera. Tayari. Hey. Ay we mana mana. Shiri. Hey. Nakubwiye YouTube channel yacu yitwa Sankarada Premier. Tayari. Kora subscribe. Unatange comment utubwire ibyifuzo byawe ibyo ushaka ko tugukorera. Ryan umbabarire.
I don't know what the hell we just saw, but something's definitely wrong. We agree.
Ati mwabantu mwe sinzi ikintu twabonye nakibonye nawe mwakibonye ariko sinzi cyari cyose nababwira cyo. Iyi ndege harimo ikibazo.
On that, right?
Kanezera kumwe ariko mubyemeza. Bose bakiboneye rimwe. Iyi ndege ifite ikibazo.
I mean, you said there's something physically wrong with the plane, right?
No, not anything that's going to cause hallucinations or visions.
Kuko biri kose ikintu kiri muri iyi ndege kimwe cyatuma none ibintu bidahari bakabona ibintu bidahari.
I don't know what would cause us to see the things we saw.
None se turamenya icyateye bino bintu turimo turabona ari igiki.
Okay, well, let's start from the beginning.
Kaduhera byatangiriye.
Storm started soon after takeoff. Pre-check was fine. Luggage was.
Turumva inkubi y'umuyaga y'ikirere yatangiye aho twamariye gupakira ibintu ariko tukiri ku cyo dupakira imizigo. Ibintu byari bimeze neza.
Mr. Peck in 25A.
Rwose twamaze guhaguruka.
Mr. Peck, he claimed that he saw something unusual.
Uriya musore Peck yavuze ko aribonye ibintu bidasanzwe. Bavuga ko ngo yanyweye bya kitapimpa marijuana.
Off and then he got
agiye mu bwiherero nabwo yabonye ibintu bidahari.
I know what I saw in the bathroom was
weird. Nabonye muri bathroom byari ibyanyabyo. Narebye muri miruwari mbona umugore utwite. Ariko ubona ikintu cy'umura ataragenya.
I couldn't get the door unlocked.
Nibwo umuryango wananze gufunguka.
It felt like it was being held from the inside.
Ikibazo cy'Imana indani rero.
Oh, I mean, there's nothing physically.
Ariko rwose mindani nta kintu kiri physically.
We lost power and we fell.
And then the food was spoiled.
Wasanga cyagiye umuriro wagendaga ari ibintu byamenetse.
Earbuds.
Njye numvisha umudamu arimo arasakuriza muri ekuteri zanjye ambwira ngo umwicanye ngo kwihorera ngo bikomeze asakuza cyane.
Scream what?
Asakuza avuga ngo iki?
At first it was whispers.
Gambere abanje kumeze nk'uvugiriza. Uriya sakuru yongera.
Said murder.
Akajya avuga mada ubwicanyi.
That's when my phone stopped working.
Nibwo telefone zarekeye gukora.
Mine too.
Naye telefone yanjye yavuyeho. Narezi kari yanjye gusa kumenya zanyu zavuyeho.
Screen.
Ye screen yanjye yabanje gukwama.
A sonogram.
A what?
Cyangwa ni sonogram.
Can you take pictures of babies?
Jeneri mbona foto y'umubebe uri mu nda.
You're a pregnant lady?
Mbona umugore utwite.
And then Ryan going crazy and attacking Jack.
Nuko bantu batajya gusera Ryan yataka Jack. Umuzimu winjiye muri Ryan.
And murder on the outside of your window.
We murebe hanze. Mwana kwizujana mbona kwanditseho ngo mada. Ubwicanyi. Nakubwicanyi.
So, what are we looking for?
Ubu rero twibaza turashaka iki?
Start.
Turatangirira he?
From around here somewhere.
Ko biri kose ibintu biri hano mu ndege.
Well, it all started in the front of the plane.
Ako biri kose byatangiriye mu ndege.
But I already checked the bathroom though.
And we've been up there most of the flight.
Tukibaza na mbere ko indege yaguruka byagenze bite?
That wouldn't explain the phones or the overhead bins.
Tubibaza amatelefoni yabanje kwama mbere ya byose.
Or what happened in the cockpit.
Hanyuma sandi byagenze bite? Mwana twaraburije.
Guys, okay, listen. We just need to find the source to what
Dukeneye kuba twamenya source y'ibintu byatangiriye.
the hell is going on right now.
Umbano Ryan yarakangutse.
Ryan.
Ryan yarakangutse. Ryan eba muhambiri. Yewe ndi yeki.
That's on purpose, kid.
Mwana mutiyangane.
You attacked Jack.
Watatse Jack mugenzi wawe.
Crazy.
Hanyuma mwana wari wasaze.
Wait, no, why would I do that?
Mwana niyo mpamvu satuma nataka mugenzi wanjye. Ntago heroin cyari kikurimo. Ntago reba mwatatse.
For all of us, but there
iri joro ryatubereye ribi kuri twese.
has to be a perfectly reasonable
Ariko biri kose ari impamvu ituma tubona ibintu bidahari, tubona abazimu.
explanation for all of
Dukeneye rero umuntu adusobanurira ibiri byabere ni biki.
Many places to look.
Dusaka indege yose rero.
If not the cabin,
Wasanga atari hano, wasanga ari ababika imizigo.
what else is there?
Wasanga harimo ibintu bya nyabingi bapakiye mu ndege birimo biratuzonga.
And now we have that word written on his window.
Ibintu byatangiriyemo indani none tubonye ijambo ryanditse ku kirahure.
Yeah, but we can't check outside in the wing right now.
Ntabwo twajya hanze y'idirishya. ibibazo biri mu ndege ndani. Wow, no, Marshal.
Is there anything on board that's out of the ordinary?
Mwareka tukareba ibintu mwapakiye mu ndege byose.
Nothing that I know of.
Ibyo ntacyo mbiziho.
Special packages from museums, no.
None se nta bintu mwapakiye nk'ibintu bya kera baba babimura muri mize.
Dead soldiers being transported.
Urana nko muri mize hari bafite nk'amagufa y'abantu bapfuye, ibintu by'utubindi bacuraguriragamo.
Home from Afghanistan.
Ibintu byavuye muri Afghanistan.
What do you say?
Uravuga ibikisi?
I mean, objects could be conduit for spirits.
Bashaka barafashe nk'ibintu byabaga muri mize y'ahantu bifite imyuka bigikoreye. Bakabishyira mu ndege ikabihura n'ikibazo.
Okay, so if there's nothing on the manifest, what?
Niba nta kintu twabonye dupakira ibintu mu ndege kuri manifest.
What were you saying?
Harya wavugaga ngo iki?
When?
Iki?
When you said you fell through the floor, where did you go?
Harya igihe wikubita gasi uri mu bwiherero wagiye he?
The cargo hold, I think. Why?
Nabonye mwapakira imizigo none nibonye nishidutse ndi. Kubera
I saw that too.
Nibyo nabibonye ubwo nikubitaga hasi.
Back against the seat.
Nabonye nikubita imbere yaho nari nicaye ariko nkabona ndahano mu mizigo. Baby.
There was someone there and
ubwo nikubita gasi nabonye ari umuntu arundi ruhande.
I felt like they needed my help.
Ariko nabonaga bonasa nabafite ubufasha bwanjye. Kombe dore ganja planta.
Brian, there's something happened.
Uwo muntu buryo yavugaga asa nk'ari ikintu kibi cyamubayeho. Something bad.
We have to go down there.
Abo tujya hasi aho babika imizigo.
Having visions of
kwari mpamvu twese turabona ibintu bimwe kandi tukabona ibintu bidahari. Twese tukanagwa hasi tukisanga turi ahantu hamwe.
The luggage.
Mu mizigo rata mu mizigo. Wabajya mu mizigo.
Speak up.
Ngaho vuga.
The luggage. I
don't know what's going on, but
it
isn't going to solve anything. He said we need ourselves.
There's something to do with this. You are in a big world of hurt. Do you understand?
How? You tied me and put me.
Cut him loose. Bathroom.
Miss, would you happen to have any scissors? Please. Don't make me regret this. Okay. Here's what's gonna happen next. We're gonna go back to your seats.
I'm sorry. Go down to cargo.
Do you want this to come to an end or not? Because I got to cover all my bases here.
I'm going with you.
Not going with me.
No. It was speaking to me. Couldn't sit up here and wait for someone else to figure it out.
You're not going. Too. It's far. Let's get back to my wife and my then I'm gonna help you. I have your 6 men.
I have your 6.
Doing my job right now.
You stay here. And I'm gonna go with the marshal.
Please stop.
Yes, I'm gonna ibintu byandagenda urasigara baragenda abahamagara bose bakiraho nta majwi mwumvara bazana baca bajya mu mizigo.
You guys are gonna have to be quick.
You can't see
me. Nizere ko ibyo mukora mubikora vuba vuba.
Strong enough.
Mugire vuba mwihute gusa. Okay. Fata gatoroshi. Naruja mwumva ruborogara. Nta kintu mwumvishe. Umve. Mwana rirakaza muzagera mu bandi ibyo nikira.
Baby.
Numvishe ijwi ry'umwana. Ndani. Ndasa nabona amaraso menshi.
Guys, what's happening?
Jene bikira.
I thought I saw something, but it's gone.
Bonye ikintu kimeze nk'aho inda yavuyemo. Bonye ibintu bidasanzwe. Yagize gucyara ngo nabuye ariko se. Mbere yabo. Hey.
This is bad.
Ni bibi cyane. Datawe. Hey. Fora ariko. Barabona ibintu bidahari. Maneke jya gucumuna. Urasa nkaho yabyaye. Nangije. Abana America code. Kurikiza amaso.
Yeah, so you want to grab that?
Kirimo kirajya mu bikapu komeza imbere. Baje mu bikapu. Harimo ikindanira.
Guys?
Babandi. Babona mu dufoto twinshi tw'abakobwa. Bagiye bapfa. Babonamo inyundo.
That's blood.
Binikira. Ana amaraso gusa. Babonamo ibintu bimeze nk'aho.
Serial killer.
Banza rumwicanyi ruharwa kabisa.
What?
Harimo na za souvenir. Harimo n'imisatsi.
Hey, her.
Mafoto agiye atandukanye.
Where's the woman that ran towards us and disappeared?
Hasi umugore watwatagara hehe.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, that's there.
Mana nyagasani bikira Mariya wi.
Bag belongs to someone on the plane.
Uko biri rwose igikapu ni cy'umuntu urimo hano mu ndege.
Okay, whose bag is this?
Yaba ari uwe mwicanyi rero. Igikapu ni icyande. Sasa buri gikapu ku kibuga cy'indege yashyira ka etikete kandi cy'amazina ya nyiri igikapu ndetse na nimero ya passport. Ntago bishoboka. Ntago bishoboka kumbe pilot yako. Pilot uko twaye. Pilot ari kurya naseka. Pilot yarariwe arabaje hakuno. Babonye aka etikete bumwashyira kuri manifest. Kanyiri igikapu. Bazana n'igikapu. Who that? Iki gikapu cyuzuyemo udufoto tw'abakobwa bagiye bicwa benshi. Babicaga bafotora. Baca mu baturage. Kumbe Ryan nawe hafungiye. Kwa pilot. Baragana urukapu.
Think about what's been going on tonight.
Wakomeje gucika usanga utazi bijya mbere.
Go back.
Mwakaye mwo bahano hano ntwarira indege masho.
I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm flying this plane by myself.
Yo mama biziko ntwaye indege n'inyange na mwakaye muza guteza akavuyo. Iri jone rire.
This right here.
Nago rema turi hano.
Do what?
Uzimamvu turi hano. Bavana yo bwa bufoto. Aba nabagore wishe cyangwa.
Murdered.
Jenishe. Arabasika.
Murdered.
Jenishe.
You serious?
Manu seriya cyangwa.
You what?
Wewe bivuga umuntu mwanda.
That?
Ahubwo imbwira nabi.
Whatever you think's going on.
Akazi ndimo nibiri kujya mbere nago ubibona.
But I'm sure you know protocol.
Nano naguza protocol.
I'm not going to be able to follow protocol right now.
Naguru baje kwakurya protocol ko nago nibwo agahenge.
What is this?
Nabano bantu bari mu ndege nago agwa agahenge.
Just on the ground.
Reka maze ngere hasi.
Wait till we're on the ground. No.
Reka maze ndandinga indege tonde uje guserera.
Where did you get these?
Ebi wabikuye he? Amafuta yabona bana abakobwa ba.
What is this?
Bana nyaga ibi nicyeriko.
What's wrong with you people? I don't know.
Ntabwo mwasaze cyangwa.
Lie to me. What did you do?
Imbesha.
What did you do to her face?
Bano bana mwabona bishe cyangwa.
Women in these photographs are the same women.
Aya mafoto turimo turanya tubona. Nabo bana abantu bari marage nabona muri iyi ndege.
In your bag.
Ubundi ne gutamba amafoto yageze mu gikapu cyawe niba atari ibyawe. Jack. Captain.
These are my.
Naga amafoto yanjye. Kare munyizeri. Uri murabeshya cyangwa batakumbunda. Maniga. Nani nachurika indege? Churika indege bature. Dupfane za chindi zibaruke. Dore ngara iporomora bugare. Dore ngara iporomora butosho. Aya. Tayari? Dore ngindege iracurama. Aya katurore. Ara rikinje muri kananga. Mugire vuba mwihorere. Afata n'undi muntu. Tayari. Diamond inje muri kananga. Diamond inje muri kamananga. Ati kwihorera. Agiye kumukubita Diamond muvamo. Indege na. Diamond. Imuvamo. Yitomeka mu wundi. Diamond beva muri yitomeka mu wundi. Revenge kwihorera. tayari nawe mucomokamo Daimoni yicomeka muri mwana wabona mamagi tayari nawe arashaka ko yica kwihorera araboroga ijambo rimwe kwihorera Daimoni muvamo yinwanga mu mukobwa aka kwihorera sasa yakatana indege Daimoni muvamo iza hakuno irakomeza yinwanga muri kagakobwa ka Daniela afata piloti bana piloti yarisha abakobwa benshi yateraga amadaka bivugana aya katurore anagaka Alice ku ruhande akawe kashobotse ndege iracurama Bice flight 666 anacyari midaya da premier for really GT business group agt.net aya tayari ndege unda kure oya yaratafata indege oya atangira guhangana n'uyu mushyira hasi barayimutunga oya arwana n'indege Ryan arwana n'indege Ryan yagaruye Kenji barongera isubiza mu nzira mugenzi ko yagahwereye Daniela
Come on.
Sheri Mbanza sheri bitagenze neza.
What happened?
Bigenze bite? Arapfuye cyangwa? Arangije amuvana yamuzana hakuno. Muhambiri. Mugabo sinzi yakoze biki.
I swear.
Ndarahira nacyo nakoze.
Save it.
Ahubwo gabanya amagambo tuze. Ndege tayari. Ndege yaje mu mugaga. Indege yaje mu mugaga. Kome manega shaka kwihambura.
What did you do?
Wakoze biki?
Don't know what you're talking about.
Nago zivuga.
Yeah, I got it.
Rekuri mudamu wa Brandon ajya gufasha ni mugenzi.
Tell me what you did!
Dore byakoze, ntacyo nakoze. Ayivanayo. Aho umva ngubwire.
Now I will end you where you sit.
Ndashaka umbwira ibyo wakoze cyangwa urasirano wicaye.
Nothing I did matters, okay?
Ibyo nakoze na gaciro bifite. Austin.
Hey, none of it matters. You're gonna
Nago bingombwa.
Killed.
Come on.
Yes, rega umuntu murapfa.
Hey, come on. No. Not everyone.
Nago twese turi bupfe bro. Nago twese tukapfa hejuru yawe. No uri bupfe wenyine. Ndege! Birongera birazamba. Mugabo arangije. Yivuga nawe ndi wa US Marshal. Arwana no kwihambura. Ari maragenda. Atarabuja. Dore umuzimu nguravayo. Uteruye akana mu ntoki. Byagenze bite? Dore maninga ngo aratitira. Ndakunyizerekera. Arangije. Ntabwo wabikora. Mande zose. Nabakobwa gusa. Nanga amakosa arayanjye. Kamera ntabwo nayibigamije. Kamera byari impanuka. Nagabiri byabaye binungwe. Kumba abakobwa yagiye atera abakobwa mada. Baza kumbwira ko batwite akabivugana.
I was scared the first time.
Nari mfite ubwoba bwa mbere. Ntabwo nari niteguye kuba nabyara. Indani muri je. Ukabivuga abo yicishije inyunda abo yateraguye ibyuma. Abo yakase imisatsi. Ya misatsi babonye mu gikapu. Gare bice nabo yiciye muri piscine.
And no one would know.
Ni Jack.
Stop! I just...
Nani kutahagarara. Ndabingize.
I'm sorry, please.
Ndabingize.
Sorry, I just...
Bakobwa nkasa.
Don't. No.
Niko nabihagarika. Ndabingize mbabarire. Ntacyo nakoze. Ndakora buri kimwe. Abo yateye inda bakashaka kubazikuramo n'ikibazo bamuterurira abana baramuhereza. Bagize gutya kumbe yivuyemo. Rangije. Wa mugabo we Air Marshal. Batangira guserera. batangira kurwanira imbunda. Abaturage bose bamenya ukuri. Yarema aravuga ko mena n'umuzimu wari uhari. Bukarage Brandon nabaza gufasha. Brandon sheri fata ikigabo. Fata ikigabo kirakomeye. Kimutunga imbunda. Bararwana ariko kirakomeye. Barwanira kabunda. Jacques arakomeye. Birana amsenzi we. Afata Daniela. Ibyo zara amakosa yanyu mwabasenzi mwe. Akiraho aragangarara. Tangira kumva amajwi y'abana mu matwi. Dore umburusa kungo rwaza ari rwinshi. Dore bose ngo barameneka amatwi. Akiraho inyuma ye. Inyuma ye. Inyuma sheri. Mon bébé. Sheri. Oh. Sheri. Sheri. Yamumenya amatwi biramusakuriza. Bana batangira kugarura ubwenge. Maniga yangije cyafashe ikiganza cyitonze. Yetonze kurwananwa saya. Ufa bas. Maniga yamaze kurasa abantu nawe abona umuzimu we yibona amubo yishe. Batangira kubona umurambo we. Tangira kugeramo ubwoba ariko nubundi nawe yamaze kugerayo. Yamaze kugera mu bazimu. Renguri ya mukirere yaka. Everybody please, I know. Yes, mwifate mwicare mwifate. Abashoboye mwicare mwambira umukanza. Byakomeye. Rangije bambara emisentiri. Dore ngikiri ikibuga. FK Center ni ndege ya Japan US 57 irimiraza. Hano nuko yiparika. Ayare mu Zimbabwe. Hano ni Puemuro San Vitesse hano. Ayare giri ya mumuji. Bareka nabi tu. Ari ibintu ubona ukabona ko genda gonga iminara. Brother ndagufite. I got you. Ujanyane atari. I got you ari yavuga ngo I got you. Na gacu ari baravuga ni I got you. Ni cyongereza ajya tumvikana muri cyaba America. Sheri I got you nawe. Ndege. Chana matara. Chana maremare. Yane zindi ziri mu nzani zibona nawe hari kibaye. Ziba basha ku ruhande. Mwifate. Hano tangira gusenga ati yaba yapareka yarandikaga Nyabarongo. Ayare. Airod. Parking mbaya. Chabita crashing. Highway. Deje yara. Dani. Meze neza. Kapfa urabona njye meze neza. Ntabwo byoroshye. Police. Police bantu zari ruhukije bashima Imana ariko mugenzi namuvuga ati nandi hagati y'urupfu. Umugabo yasomye impeta ye. Uyari inywere tujini twiwe. Yumvishe ubuduha bwa polisi amenya ko bageze ku butaka. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. Ryan yari yahamutse. Mana shimwe sheri. Rebera ikibuga. Imana ishimwe. Ndacyaga filmaro kagenzi bahitaga Flight 666 yari da premier mide ya da premier for real. Aracyari Sankara da premier ku biganiro by'ubwenge mwabisanga kuri YouTube channel yacu ariyo Sankara da premier. Mwibagirwa gukora subscribe, like, share na comment kugira ngo tumenye ibyo zatubagezaho n'ibyo mwakunenze. Ayari da premier for real. Aya